Yep, Starlink again. I guess today is not a good day for Starlink. Not a good day. You'll always come back. I appreciate it. It's frustrating though. Frustrating. Okay, we're still only looking for shorts. Still only looking for short entries here, so we'll have to get down through this and then we will test. Still nothing. Nope, nada, nada, nada. A lot of choppiness here. A lot of choppiness here. Yeah, bad day for Starlink. Good day for trading, bad day for Starlink. Hey guys, thanks for coming back. Got to be frustrating. It's frustrating for me, I know that. Okay, possible entry here if we get a trapped order for short. Only looking for a short here. Nope, nothing happening. Down we go. Man. Too bad that we didn't get a setup there. Too bad. Just too bad. We can't catch them all. Okay, we're getting in close to the range again. Wow, this market is something else right now. Crazy. Hey, carpet. Thank you. I mean, yeah, we're having a good day now, but it still feel like we're in the early stages of testing this strategy. So I don't try to get too up or too down, but yeah, it's encouraging. It's definitely I prefer this over losing for sure. I definitely do. Okay, are we going to go lower here? And if so, how much lower? Yep, we going lower. We're only looking for shorts here. Okay, still nothing to do here. We got to get through here and then retest it. Not crazy about entering short here, I'll be honest, but this is where like Sometimes it's very tempting to use discretion. And maybe, you know, it's stuff I make note of. Like when I personally don't like the trade, I'll make note of it. Um, but again, for now, we just have to follow the rules. We just have to follow the rules. All right, now we got to pay attention here. Okay, possible entry here if we get a trapped order. Oh man. Okay, never mind. We need to get below this and close below this and then retest it to really be in this. So still nothing. Thanks everybody for coming back. This is now the second time the stream is disconnected. I don't know what's going on with my stream or with my internet, but it's not ideal. And now we rip higher the way this looks. Okay. All right, nothing to see here, nothing to see here. Okay. All right, still nothing to see here. All right, maybe we get a possible entry here at the 300s. Oh, man. Sorry, guys, that I'm a little disengaged today. But I do have work to do. I got work to do. Trying to focus and I'm trying to get it done as soon as I can. How do I determine my exits for taking profit? It's 30 ticks on the first 3 contracts, and then on the runner, my profit is basically the next support and resistance zone right before we get to it. So that's how I determine my P&L or my profit taking. What size accounts I'm trading? I am trading. Hang on. I'm trading the 150K account, just the evaluation account for this testing. You figure, hey, let's go, Jose. Let's go. I like that. I like that. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Again, Jose, I'd love for you to send me confirmation or verification so I can add your name. But you don't have to. I understand why you don't want to. Okay, we're still only looking for shorts here, so no setup here. Hmm. Six. Ooh, look at this thing dump. Dumpity dumpity dump. Unfortunately, did not get a setup. Wow. Look at this thing rip. This thing is really volatile. Really volatile this morning. Especially thinking that we're almost at in noon. It's crazy. And we are selling off again. Woo. Sorry. I'm not. I apologize for I am not reading the chat. Um yeah, trying to get work done here. Oh man, I gotta pay attention. Wow. This thing is not done selling. Okay, I need to pay attention here. Possibly getting a setup here. If we get a trapped order, wait for it. Gotta get a trapped order here. Not C, not getting it yet. Still nothing. Come on. Come on. Guys, do you remember 12 o'clock? Do you guys remember what happens at 12 o'clock? 12 o'clock is the reversal time. Will it happen again today? We do not know. Still waiting for trapped orders here. Nothing happening. We just keep going lower. Feel like I'm missing out maybe, but Connor, that's funny. That's just the internet in general. Okay, just no, nothing happening. Nothing happening. Okay, possible entry here if we get a trigger. Oh, there it is. And I missed it. Missed it again. Unbelievable. Well, we're going to sell. And if we get filled, then we're in. Now I'm just going to wait, see if we get a re-entry. But that, now it happened again today. Just, we need to switch to ES. We really need to switch to ES. This thing just moves so quickly. Right there, that setup. Could not get in time. We might get another chance here. Might get another chance here. Okay. Nope. Nope. Nothing. Oh man, that's sad. Sorry, I was talking to myself. I was talking about a reversal. It's the reversal time. It is reversal time. Everybody knows what that means. The last 3 days at 12 o'clock, we have reversed. Will that happen today? I don't know. I do not know that, but it's interesting. Yeah. All right, now we're pulling back again. Again, we're only looking for shorts, so if this now comes back into the zone and we have a trapped order, we got an entry. We got to pay attention here. Just not getting it right now. Nothing happening. Okay, let's... Okay. Oh, we're in if we close here. Okay, we're in, folks. We are in. Come on. It almost got my price target immediately, but now this is definitely we could see reversals here. This thing definitely not looking too hot right now. We could see this thing could have our first loss of the day. That's okay. We are getting stopped out here the way it looks. Stopped out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, stop teasing me. And here we go. And stopped out. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, that's all right. We were very close to getting our profit target right after the entry, but we just didn't quite get it. Just, it is what it is. It is what it is. That's right. We just followed the rules. That's all we did. Can't win them all. We look for our next setup. That's what we do. No. Oh, whiskey. Yeah. All right, we're back to this. Again, we're only looking for shorts. Only looking for shorts. Man, wouldn't it be something if we had a reversal again at 12 o'clock? I think it'd be pretty cool. What is the gray chart? This is the footprint chart. It's a little bit different than a footprint chart, but okay, what is gonna happen here? I feel like we are going to reverse here, then we can't make new lows. I mean, we can, but you know. Okay, we are in contention here. If we pull back up, if we and then we have a trapped order possibly. Let's see what happens right here. If we close down, we're in. And we're in. I'm not sure I'm happy or sad, but we're just following the rules. Just following the rules. Whoa. Did we hit our profit? Did we? That sure was fast. But we'll take it. We're not complaining. That was a quickie. Now, likely our runner's going to get taken out here. Very likely. And there it is. Wow. We literally, okay, hang on here, guys. Let me look. Look at this. We got our target filled. I mean, precisely to the tick for that 30 ticks, and then it reversed. So sometimes it actually is the right way. And we hit that thing like, I mean, this was our entry, and boom, it took what, 2 seconds? And now it's ripping higher. Crazy, man. Crazy. And the runners are just, my runners, I did have one good runner. I had one runner of what, 120 ticks? So we can't say that we, we did have some success with runners, but net positive, we're probably not net positive on our runners. Pretty sure we're not, to be honest. But hey, we'll take it. We'll take getting our profit target filled by 1 tick. We will take that every day of the week. Oh, and down we go. This thing cannot decide what to do here. Okay, we have a possible entry again if we get through here. Gotta follow our rules. Possible entry again. Now we gotta come back up, test this zone. Not looking like it wants to do that at the moment. Okay, here we go. Now we need a trapped order. Not happening, not happening, not happening. Okay, here we go. Maybe. If we close down here, we're in. If we close down, we're in. If we close up, we're out. And we're in. And we didn't get filled. Now we're filled. Jeez, what is this market? Okay, now we're in. We'll just wait. Uh-oh. This ain't looking good. This thing's gonna rip our face off. Oh, man. This is where we could see some very bad results when we're chopping. Like, we're just doing kind of a chop fest right in our zone. This is something to make a note of. Just because this could definitely have some pretty bad results. Okay, noted. Just seeing this choppiness is difficult to I mean, how do we stay out of that stuff? I'm almost done. I'm almost done with my work, and then we can chat. I'm almost done. Uh, all right. Trying to eat and trade and work at the same time. What is this market? This is crazy. Excuse me. What a choppy market we have here. I don't know what to think. Yes, I do have an email address. It is on my YouTube channel. You can find it through that. Definitely feel like for this strategy, we do not want to be trading when we're doing this, but how do you determine? How do you weed this out? It's kind of difficult. Hey, take care, Vincent Nella. Take care. Thanks for stopping in. Looks like we're going lower, folks. Looks like we're going lower. No reversal today. Interesting to see what happens here right at the 200s. Tested the 200s and now see what we do here. Hey, Kid Poker. Take it easy. Oh no, now I see what you're saying, Kid Poker. Oh, just, man. There's always an option to walk away. All right, now we're ripping higher. What is this? What is this market? All right, now. Oh, I do not want to go short here. I don't want to do it. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, I have to do it. Oh, it made me do it. No. No. I didn't want to, but I have to. This one will definitely be marked down as something I did not like the price here, but be kind of funny if we actually reverse now. It's giving me a little bit of hope, but I don't like this at all. Yeah, and there we're stopped out. What kind of message did I get there? That was kind of a weird message. What's going on? Ah, the beauty of testing. The beauty of testing it. That's where it's like really difficult because even though we're technically in a downtrend, like this move right off the 200s just gave me vibes that I do not want to be short. But we gotta, I don't know, we gotta follow our rules for now at least. This is like stuff that I'll make note of is where I'm like, I did not like the trade. Don't add to losers. Yeah, that should be pretty obvious. No, I mean, here's the thing. Here's the honest truth. Trading in this kind of choppy zone is just never going to end well. Now so if we just eliminate our trades right here, we had really good entries, but the question is, how do you avoid this? How do you avoid it? I think that's the hard question to ask is, like, I know this strategy is just not going to be successful when we trade like this. It's just not. When we're trading in a choppy session like this, right in our zone, it's terrible. The problem is we have to be able to clearly define when that is happening. And how to stay away from it. That's the challenge. Now let's look at ES. I don't know. Hindsight is always 20/20. The other thing we have to look at, with a strategy like this is once we log 3 winning trades, we stop trading. Like something to that effect where, hey, after this amount of trades or after we're in profit by X amount, we stop trading. Because the probabilities that, once we have 4 winning trades in a row, the probabilities that we'll have a losing trade in the next 2 trades is higher the longer the streak is. So I don't know, stuff like that. A lot of different ways to look at it. Now I know that NinjaTrader has a chop zone indicator, or not NinjaTrader, Apex does. So let's look at that. Actually, that wouldn't be a bad thing to look at. Oh, I don't remember what it's called. Trend bands, I think. Let's just put this on here and see what happens. Whoa, what's this? That's weird. I never seen this. That's kind of cool. Hey, we're finally breaking out. Huh. That's kind of neat. If nothing else, this looks cool. I don't really know that it does anything for me, but it looks cool. But that is not what I wanted. Is it trend? I think it's trend bias filter. Yeah, this is it. So this is supposed to be a bias filter to filter out the chop. And let's put it on here and just see what happens. All right. Okay, we are still looking for shorts here. Makes me nervous. I don't like it. Hey, let's go, trade wins. That's awesome. Let's go. Yeah, Lawrence, I kind of get what you're saying too. I know what you mean. This is always something that I argue with myself in my mind. For example, how do you guys feel? And I know that I kind of know the answer here, but I think there's like an argument for both sides. For example, let's say you're at the roulette table. If you're at a roulette table and let's pretend like the green color isn't an option. Let's pretend there's only red or black. So there's a 50-50 chance, right? Now let's say that red has been hit 20 times in a row. Okay? So red's been hit 20 times in a row. What are the chances that red will be hit on the next spin again? Curious what you guys say. $50-50. Yeah. And I think theoretically you're right. Okay. Now let's look at it a little bit on a different perspective. If you do this, if you spin that wheel and you get a history of 500 spins, okay? And within those 500 spins, there have never been red hit more than 20 times in a row. Or let's say it's 10,000 spins. So we have the data and the history of 10,000 spins, and we know that in those 10,000 spins, there has never been a time when red has hit more than 20 times in a row. Is that still a 50% chance? Because I can argue both points, because on one side, I think the right answer is it's still a 50-50 chance, because the spinner and the ball, they don't have a memory. They don't have a memory, and they don't know that they've hit 20 times in a row already. Right? So it's like 50-50. But if you're looking at it from a mathematical standpoint and you have the history and the data to know that in a span of 10,000 spins, there's never been a case where there were more than 20 of one color in a row. So if you take that in consideration, then the chances of it hitting 21 in a row does make a difference. So I don't think like it's truly 50-50 when you're looking at it from an analytical standpoint. It shouldn't be a true 50-50 because you are taking into the equation of 10,000 spins and okay, the chance is very, very slim that we will hit 21 reds in a row. So if we take that in consideration, then it shouldn't be 50-50, right? Okay, we got to mind our business here. Past doesn't matter. I know it doesn't, but I don't know. But it's still, okay, hang on. Oh, we got our sell if we close down. And did not happen. Kind of glad. Keeping very mindful of this kind of trend filter we have here. Yeah, I know, patient trader. I just think like there is somewhat of an argument for that theory. Somewhat. But you are 100% correct that they don't know. They don't have a memory. It doesn't matter. It's a 50-50 shot each and every time. Like that is the reality. That is the truth. Going red 200,000 times in a row doesn't impact the next spin. I know it doesn't, Sean. You're right. I knew you guys were smart. I just figured we'd have at least one person arguing the alternative. Hmm. Yeah, it's never 50-50. True. I think the closest that you will get to a 50-50 is Baccarat, I think. But I'm not sure why we are on this subject anyway, but yeah. Okay. Okay, now notice where we were. This is kind of interesting here. I need to do some more back testing. I feel like I definitely have. I mean, I'm just. This is me thinking out loud, but I got some more back testing to do. I want, or you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna back test this theory that I currently have, and we're gonna back test it with ES because ultimately I want to switch to ES. I want to switch this strategy to ES. Just feel like it's going to be a better fit. So I got some homework to do. We got nothing to see here. Okay, possible short entry here if we get back up in the zone with the trapped order. See, we can have 4 losing trades in a row. Actually, we might have had one winner in between. Only 37 likes. I forgot to beg for likes again. Probably the reason why is this is the 3rd time I'm restarting stream. So people are probably like, I'm sick and tired of having this stream disconnect. So they're like, I don't like this stream because it keeps disconnecting. I mean, I almost don't blame people. I don't really like the stream right now just because it's disconnecting so much. Oh. Nutty's my aunt. That's not true. Dun. Ripping lower, folks. I'm not sure we're going to have a V-shaped reversal today. This is just not really feeling like that kind of day all of a sudden. We've dropped 200 points since the highs. Pretty crazy. This indicator is very interesting here. ES making more of a steady push down. Okay. Come back up here and test this. Let me get in short. I'd love to be in a short right now. Ooh, this thing is ripping. We selling off, folks. All right. Are we going to get through the 200s here? Again, we were at 160s, low of the day yesterday. So that seems like where we're possibly heading if we can get through the 200s. Here we go. Hold on, everybody. Everybody, hold on. I thought you had the brightest chat. Well, there's a couple disclaimers in that. There's a couple disclaimers. Usually when you sell or buy, you're immediately behind due to spread. When it rips like this, it's fun to be 8 ticks before your order. Yeah, sometimes. Wow, is this thing going to bounce off the 200s again? Yay. It definitely looks like it wants to give it a shot. Wow, look at that thing rip. See if it's got some legs. Got a possible. I'm not sure I'm buying this, but we never know. All right, we're still not below the 200s. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, we got to pay attention here. We are ripping it, right, bouncing right off that 200. Crazy. No, I don't. If we close down, I'm in. I have to take this. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it, but I got to do it. Maybe I do like it. Whoa, we got filled. Let's go. You know what? I take that back. I do like it. Okay, our profit target is 167. 168. 168 is our profit target. Just following the rules. Let's go, conscious investing. You're up 4K. Let's go. Nicely done. Hey, trading with Travis. Sorry, I was so distracted. I'm trying to work today. I'm very distracted. I didn't even see you were in here with us. Sorry. How's it going, Travis? Wild day. It is a wild day. I was kind of giving back a lot of profits so far testing this new strategy, but pretty much got chopped up. My strategy here just completely got obliterated. I can't talk. How was your day, Travis? Hey, you did, Travis? Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm only trading my 150K eval. It's just, again, we're just kind of testing some things out. Nothing too crazy. I kind of need a break from trading my funded accounts. And this is a good break. I like it. Oh, you did, Travis? Let's go. Do you have the 20 accounts now? Does that get you to the 20? Uh-oh, it looks like we're going to get stopped out here on the runner. We have not had much luck with our runners today. Wow, his words are truth. Let's go. Nicely done. 40 micros. Let's go. You love to see it. We've had some pretty crazy moves today. Like, I mean, some of these moves, like from 320 to 220, literally this move here, 100 points just in a span of what? 15 minutes? It's crazy. We live in crazy times. Why not move your stop to break even after to take profit one? Sean, we might do that in the future. Like for now, this is the strategy we're testing and we're collecting the data on it. In my back testing with this, it showed to not move my stop from my original. And, you know, that's kind of what it showed. So we're trying to test that in a real live environment. So far, I don't think it's worked. I don't think it's working really, but we're only on day 5, I think. So need to give it a little bit more time. What is drawing the support and resistance lines? Funded prop trader, that's me. I'd put those in at the beginning of the week. Oh, for the last two? Yeah, interesting. Did you use the 50Ks? Do you have everything 50Ks right now trading with Travis? I think you do if I remember correctly. My back testing sample, I went back, it was like 35 days is what I went back, which I know isn't a huge amount for, I know, but it's kind of where we're at. And it was just the right time. I decided, you know what, let's test this live, and we're in the infancy stages. If you think the market will go down, hit the like button. If you think it will go up, hit the like button. Exactly what patient trader said. Okay, this thing does not want to give up right now. Need this thing to rip lower. Ribbit. Come on, you can do it. Maybe not. This bounce off the 200s definitely seems to be holding up. Now, if we can rip through the 200s, then I really like the 160s, but we got to get through the 200s. Okay, all 50. That's what I thought. Yep. Were you thinking about going like 150, or what were you thinking for the last two, Travis? All right, now it's going to try and take us out again. And here we go. Second Nutty Bar? No, I'm eating some beef sticks and cheese. I'm only allowed one Nutty Bar per day. Hmm. And now we're just back in this choppy range. Okay, now one thing I'll make note of. So this yellow bar, if we see yellow, it means we're in a choppy range. And that's what I might back test a little bit more. If we're in yellow, it's a no trade zone. So I kind of like that. And I'm going to That's what I need to back test a little bit more. I need to back test this a little bit more and then see if we have something. All right, need to get through the 200s here. Gotta get through it. We have struggled to push through this. Yeah, and every time we just rip higher. Come on, rip this thing lower. Just do it. Every time it's doing one of those slow meltdown where it just won't break through. just rip lower, okay? Just do it. You know what? Never mind me. Just do what you want. Do what we want. See if I care. What is the name of the yellow bar indicator? It's the Apex Trend Bias Filter. Kind of liking it. Need to break below the 210s. Come on. Right here. Do it. Come on. Go. Come on. Rip through the tens. Let's go. Come on. That's better. Now, this is going to take a lot of effort, but I really need you to go through the 200s. This is going to take an immense amount of effort here. Need you to go. Come on. Through the 200s. Oh, I knew he couldn't do it. I just knew it. You don't have what it takes. This is where I'm like, okay, do I just take my profit here? Feel like I wouldn't be following my plan, but well, we're going to follow our plan. That's what we're going to do. We're either going to hit it or we're not. Come on, got to get through the 200s right here, right now. Do it. Oh, oh, baby. Go, go, go. We like it. We like that. Come on, baby. You know you can do it. Rip it. Rip it. Oh, this is nice. Rip it. Come on. Come on. Just take it down to the 60s. You can do it. I believe. No, it's... Oh, come on. Come on. Not back to the 200s. Really? Ah, we're gonna do this, huh? We're gonna do this, huh? This market's gonna test me, isn't it? It's gonna test my patience. It's gonna test my patience. Come on. Sell it. Sell it like you know you want to. I know this market wants to go to the 60s. I just know it. It's just going to try and pretend like it doesn't want to go. But we shall stay patient. We shall stay patient. Really liking this range indicator here. It's really doing a pretty good job of very quickly determining if we're chopping or if we're downtrend. I don't know. It's still early, but I kind of like it. Oh, come on. Okay, Price. Enough is enough. It's time to go down. It is time. It is time. There we go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Just do it. Do it already. Oh, this thing's gonna just test my patience. Come on. Really? Are you serious? Are you serious? Fine. I will stop watching you. I will stop watching. Man, I'm seriously contemplating taking my profit here. Oh, take what the market gives you. Well, maybe it wants to give me more. I just need to be more patient. Nutty doesn't know how to seal in profits. It's right. I don't. I know how, but I'm trying to follow my strategy. Oh, oh man. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna lock in the profits to the 207s. If we get above this, I'm gonna get stopped out. We're gonna just make a note of it. We are going to make a note of it. And I have to remind myself it's just a test, right? Hang on. I gotta take this. Okay. All right. Maybe this thing can. Maybe it's got it in him. Maybe. Come on. Just rip this thing, would you? Can't be that hard. Just rip it. It is a good trade. Yes, it is a great trade. But I really wanted to hit my 168. That's all I want. Come on. Come on. Right here, right now. Do it. I got a feeling it's going to do it. Right here. Got to get through the 180s here. Come on. Yeah, it wants to torture me a little bit more. It's not quite done torturing me. Back we go. Back to we go. It wants to torture me a little bit more. Zen Buddha. Oh, man. Here we go. See if it can scare me enough to get me out. Very choppy here all of a sudden. Very choppy. Okay, right here. Right here, boys. Come on. Come on. Rip it. Let's go. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. We go. Everybody hold on. Everybody hold. Now everybody push. Same time. Let's go. Let's go, boys. We're getting closer. 10 points away. 10 points. Oh, let's go. That's what we're talking about. That is what we are talking about. I think that was my biggest winner I've ever had as far as points or ticks goes. Raise our trades. Wrong channel, dude. Let's go. All right, now we technically need to be watching for another short entry here. That's going to give me... Oh, really? I'm going to have to enter again. Oh, I don't want to. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it, but I have to. If we close down, I'm in. And I'm in. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. Hey, we follow the plan, right? We just follow the plan. Stop calling me, you spammers. I definitely don't want to be long. I would have preferred to give this thing a little bit of a rest. But I'm afraid we're going to get a big bounce here. That's kind of what I'm scared of a little bit. But hey, we follow the plan. That's all we can do. It's definitely feeling a little bouncy here. I hope I'm wrong. Oof, that was a close one. We almost got taken out. And there it is. Ouch. Ah, man, oh man. What can you do? You can't win them all. Watch this thing rip lower now. Would not be surprised. Maybe this is the reversal of the day. Maybe. The reason I didn't like that entry, again, this is not about what I like or what I don't like. We're just trying to follow a plan. This double bottom here, you would expect that we do a nice bounce from this. Even if we do go lower, I would kind of expect this thing to bounce, but I don't know. Those are the things where it's like you can't put that anywhere in a plan, so to speak. Why I short after you exited? Because that's what following my rules means, PN. You can avoid any plan. What would you like? What would be your plan in that sense? Here we go. This thing ripping now. Well, I know we were at yesterday's lows. I know that. I know. Sounds like a great plan in hindsight, PN. Great hindsight plan. We have to have a plan that is... I mean, we could make a plan, I guess, that we don't short near the lows of the yesterday's session, I guess. I mean, wow, what a bounce. What a bounce. Look at this thing go. Woo. It's a 40-point rip right off that. Right off the lows here. Pretty impressive. Have to trade the past. The futures are not as easy. Got a 30-point bounce. Let's go, Caleb. Nicely done. Just don't enter a trade if you just took off. That's a very short-sighted answer. Like, you need to have the data to prove that. You need to have data to prove that, hey, we have the data that shows if you exit a trade and then don't enter right away, X amount of time, it'll be losers. Just because it happened one time does not mean we need to have that part of the plan. Design, exactly. You pretty much hit everything. That pretty much is it. Yeah, patient trader, yep. I mean, I'll make some adjustments on the fly if I really see something stand out. But yeah, that's maybe I need another disclaimer. Or I'll just get people triggered. I don't mind that either. Okay, maybe we'll have a 145 reversal today. Obviously, this is a far cry from a reversal. We need to see this thing. You know what'd be fun? We go up and we test this zone again, and I get a short entry trigger again, and we ride this puppy down again. Now, that would be a good time. That would be a good time. I enjoy having a good time. Hey, Ryan, that's awesome. Let's go. 46 across all accounts. How many accounts do you have, Ryan? Funded accounts. Yeah, that sounds like a good time to shut it down. Triggered content views. Don't hate it. By the way, guys, remember the discussion we had yesterday regarding live accounts on Top Step and how all that works? Yeah, I'm sure you guys remember that we're here. I'm pretty sure I'm waiting for an answer back from Apex to be 100% sure. All right. Kind of hope we get up to this 220, 230 level. Let's go up to this level again. Let's do it. So what are you waiting to be 100% sure about, J Victor? I'm just waiting for my setup, really. 22 evals, up 600 on all of them, 1500 on 3. Let's go, Tristan. That's awesome. Nicely done. Nicely done. Yeah, I know, DL. Hey, you have a good one too, Tristan. That's awesome. Nicely done today. Congrats. He ignores you a lot. Sorry, really? I don't mean to. I don't mean to. Black Beauty, what did you say? Thanks, Nutty. You, Profit, Apex, and Buellnox work together in harmony on Quant Tower. Oh, really? Okay, so Black Beauty, are you saying that you are copy trading Buellnox and Apex and you Profit? Are you using the trade copier on all of them? Oh, sorry, J Victor. Sorry. I know I get what you mean. So J Victor, there was a discussion yesterday regarding how Top Step how they handle a live account if they switch you from an express funds account into a live account and how that works. I couldn't believe it. I can't believe how they do that. Yeah, seems kind of insane. But it's right there in their writing, so I gotta believe it. Take them for what they say. But pretty crazy. Wow, look at this thing go. Unfortunate we did not get an entry here. Is this a day where we just see it continuing to sell off all day long? Question mark. Sweet email of you for our Discord. There any good picks you could point us towards? Screen grab, not the best. I do not know. You're probably going to have to screen grab it. Okay, let's pay attention here. We have another potential entry, the same one that we just failed on. But again, this is for science. This is for testing purposes. This is not to... Our job is not to predict the market here. We just follow our setups. Okay, we need to get back in this zone, get a trapped order, and we shall be in. We're only looking for shorts. Okay, right here we go. We're in if this closes down. And it didn't. We're in if it closes down. If it closes down and we did not get in, you son of... Mom! Oh, kid. You gotta be... So that happened again. Okay, now we're filled. So we're going to stay in this. But it happened again. We're not able to get filled. We were not able to get filled on that original entry because the market moves so fast. Oh, we almost didn't get our profit target moved away in time. Holy woly. Roly poly. We going down, folks. Okay, here's the plan. Target is 116. We do not move it. You hear me? Loud and clear, everybody. Everybody hear me loud and clear? We don't move our stop. That's where it is. That's where it was. That's where it stays. We don't move it. This is how we do it. Kyle, because so for those that are not aware, this is my profits, take profits plan. So when we enter with 4 minis. We take profit on 30 ticks with 3 of them. That's the goal. Once we hit that, our remaining contract, our runner, we take profit wherever the next support resistance zone is. We take profit right before that zone. That is our plan, and that's what we're doing. Stop. There is no break-even stop. Nothing. We just keep our stop. Our original stop is if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. We're collecting the data. So that's why we're doing it this way. How many trades until I adjust? I mean, I'd like to get, as many as possible, really. 100 trades is probably not even enough data, but I think it gives us a fair look at it. The biggest thing I'm testing right now and I want to track is my runner. But this is why we need to follow our plan so we have accurate data. For example, we were 83 ticks in profit on this trade. If I get stopped out, then I'll make note that we were 83 ticks in profit. And then once we have enough data, then we'll adjust our runners to, possibly, hey, once we're 60 ticks in profit, then we will move our stop to XYZ. But when I did the back testing on this strategy, it showed I was more profitable if I did not move my stop loss on my runner. I just had my profit at the next zone, but again, rules are meant to be changed if we have enough data. That's kind of how I look at it. But until we have enough data, we don't change the rules. It's just that's my take. And we might get stopped. We very likely we could get stopped out here. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's just now we have more data. All right, back. Looks like we're going to test. Why did I move the last one? I wasn't supposed to, Andrew. I wasn't supposed to. You were not supposed to see that, okay? I thought no one saw that. I would have had to make a note to the rule. I would have had to make a note specific to that trade in XYZ because I didn't follow my rules. But, technically I didn't follow my rules on that one, but it didn't matter because it ended up not hitting that stop. But, yeah. Just pretend like you didn't see it. And we're going to get stopped out. Oh, no. There it is, folks. That's unfortunate, but it's okay. Wait, why? Ah, man. Rhythmic logged out again, I see. Why do you do that? Oh, now it's gonna go back down again. Come on, man. I haven't been paying attention to bookmap that much. What is bookmap looking like? Look at this. Look at bookmap. Bookmap is really empty. There was a lot of liquidity sitting at the 15150s though. Very interesting. And we took it out. Okay, we're going higher, folks. 1 a.m. anonymous futures trader where you're at? Wow. Wow. How come you don't enter when the RSI cross the MACD width? Yes. Did you take a loss on that trade? No, we had a net win because we'd hit anytime I hit my profit target for my 3 contracts, even if I get stopped out on my runner, I still am I profit approximately $300 when that happens. So it's obviously not ideal. It does kind of mess with my profit to loss ratio quite a bit, but hey, it is what it is. Wow, what a move. What a move here. You know what? I need to... All right. Have we made the lows of the day? Anybody want to take that? Want to make a statement on that? Lows of the day, the 140s. Let's see what the daily looks like. Daily chart. Wow, that looks interesting. Market profile for my trading? Not necessarily, no. Yeah, PA means funded account. How did you know my strat? Oh, the PA, yes, Marcos. PA means it's a funded account. We have 2 hours left in the session. I think we'll make new lows. I actually do. I think I would agree with you guys. At least some of you. Yeah, nope. Low a day set, Kyle. I could be very, very true. Kind of interested here. Wow, this thing just wants to rip. Oh. Man, that's a long wick here. It's a long wick. A lot of sellers coming in here. Oh, Juan, really? Okay. Interesting. Oh. man. Man. All right, might not be done. Might want to go higher here. Interesting. You know what's crazy? Like from right here to here is close to a 100-point move. It looks like a 15-point move. That's how crazy today's been. It's a big move. Look at that thing. We were at the 430s today. 430s. Did we make it to the 130s? We almost made it to the 130s. 300-point drop from the highs. What's ES? What's ES looking like here? ES, we went from the 45, 42s to the 44s. 44, 74s. And now we're ripping higher. Okay, bulls might be interested here. Bulls might have like, hey, the bulls are back. They took a little bit of an extended lunch. Now we're at 212, going up into the 220s. I mean, this is where it makes me nervous because I gotta follow my plan for now, I guess, but this is definitely stuff I'm taking into consideration or making a note of. Okay, here we go. Ready to rip through the 20s, through the 30s. Now I got to take a short here if it sets up. As much as I don't want to, I got to do it. So far, nothing. Nothing to do here. And why would you if you don't want to? It's called following a plan, conscious investing. We just follow the plan. That's all we do. The plan doesn't care how we feel. Or at least my plan doesn't. Wow, now I wish it would have triggered short. We'd be in a nice short here if it would have triggered, but see, that just shows how much I know. What is the plan? The plan is to follow the plan. I like that. That'll get people confused. You follow the strategy when you see fit, not just because you're predicting it might work out. Yeah, it's different. I mean, yeah, it's not really back testing, it's live testing. But if I start to make discretionary trades or not, basically when I'm only taking setups when I like the setup or when I feel like it's a good setup, it doesn't give me accurate data because I am in the way of that data. Okay, I guess that was the short. Hit that zone at 230 and just whoosh, 30 points drop. Just like that. Just like that. Do you draw your zones? Yes, I do. Usually Sunday evenings, I update all my zones. Draw my zones, update them, etc. I delete old ones that are no longer relevant. Okay, now it's pumping back up here. See if we get back into the 230s here. Yeah, PN, it could be right. If I just traded my zones, I'd be a millionaire. No, here's the key, conscious investing. If only I would trade my zones when they work. That's the key. Because I can point out a lot of times when the zones don't work. But yeah, it does look like that sometimes. I want to improve my trading. What to do? Crypto, I mean, I feel like I'm not the right guy to answer that. I'm still trying to improve my trading. So I think the best thing you can do to improve your trading is probably to journal